fucking cut me off, bro, just to get in front of me? For what? Y'all feel that traction? Yep. Welcome back, guys. I'm making a POV drive. I have not done it since I got this fucking exhaust. So I'm ready to show you guys how loud is loud on a VQ, bro. It does make the VQ noise, as you guys could tell. But I'm here to show you guys. I'm about to go hit the freeway. I had to get some used tires again because the ones I had on were fucking bald. I don't know why I'm cussing, but fucking there's too many fucking stupid idiot drivers. Like literally some guy from this street, or not even the street, it was a fucking like a Taco Bell or something. My girl was driving right in front of me, fucking just goes forward and wants to turn left. Like bro, why can't you just, you know, do a U-turn on a different street? But that's some crazy shit, and it's fucking raining too. So me, I don't even be driving fast on my Z. I be driving slow, and more because right now it's raining too. You lose traction way more, and I got a welded diff, you know, so I gotta take care of this beauty, you know. So kind of here driving for insurance, and if it sounds like I'm going fucking fast, I'm not. This car is just, look at this guy, he's fucking on my ass. That's it. It took me like one pull going down to 4th gear just to fucking have him off my ass. But let's see how loud this puppy is. You guys hear it? You guys hear it? I don't know if you guys love the sound. I love the sound that it makes. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the purple lights too, just so you guys could have some lighting up in this bitch, so it doesn't look that bad, you know. But I just want to say again, thank you guys for 500 subscribers again. I said it before in the last video, but I want to say it again. I really love you guys so much. I was about to spin out right there too, but that's how loud the tunnels are on this shit. It's fucking loud. I'm gonna put the windows up and you're gonna hear how loud it is still with the windows up. Y'all hear it? Y'all hear it? Right? Am I tripping or not? This has gotta be the loudest, bro. And I only have a muffler and resonator delete. But yeah, I just want to thank you guys for sure for 500 subscribers. Shout out to Matt, he was the 500 subscriber. So this one's for you, low. Little tunnel action. I wish there was more tunnels up in this bitch, but, and I got pops on this shit too. I don't know how, but magically it has pops. But it's a beautiful day. It's a rainy day. What time is it right now? It's 5:52. I also want to say rest in peace to Terrell. Died in a motorcycle accident, and I'm actually, oh shit, there's a box just sitting there, bro. I just want to say rest in peace to him. You know, he's a young guy. I never knew the guy, but he seems, you know, pretty cool. Everybody loves him, you know. So rest in peace to him. I'm actually gonna go to the candle lighting right now with the homies. But I'm just gonna give you guys a POV drive, and I just want to give my prayers and, you know, my respect to him. You know, it kind of sucks when shit happens like that. So you guys gotta enjoy every moment and not be depressed. Like, I'm not saying he was like depressed or anything, but just in general, guys, you guys can enjoy the moments. You know, make shit out of it. You know, I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm trying to preach for you guys, you know. But meanwhile, I'll give you guys a cool little POV drive. But yeah, we got a Chally Wally. I can't race. I'm only going like 60, bro, and it sounds like I'm going 80 or so. idiot driver, bro, driving fucking fast, bro. And I just be cruising. I really just be cruising and shit. But yeah. So enough talking. I'm not gonna, it's gonna be a short POV, maybe, I don't know. But just enjoy the sounds. I've been talking a lot, so enjoy. Sounds loud as fuck near trucks, cars, when they're right next to you too. Just that loud shit. Fifth gear. I really be cruising in fifth gear most of the time. Not gonna lie. Oh fuck yeah, we got a green light. Alright, it's gonna be loud. And one more last thing I forgot to show you guys. Or actually, for you guys to hear. That's in third gear. Kind of walls, not really. I just love it. I love the sound. I love it. And right now I'm gonna rev it for you guys. Put it in cool little, if I can. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys want more POV drives, I'll give one, just no talking if that's the case for you guys. That you guys enjoy those type of ASMR type shit. So hope you guys enjoyed. Road to 1K in 3 months. We're gonna get it. Let's go.